Right, so here's the box, and it's been powered up by this adapter. And you can plug into here, okay? And the box itself is waterproof, but the adapter I don't think is waterproof. I think you may need to find a way to protect this adapter somewhere. But as the box is fine. And I drew a hole here and plug in and put a cable inside. I put a cable inside, and I sealed this opening with glue. And I don't think this is super strong for that's just a temporary option, so it's not super strong. So please be gentle to this joint. Do not bend it; it's gonna damage it. Can make it not waterproof anymore. And so that the box has been working. So the system, I put the circuit board inside the box today. But the thing is, I have powered this up for probably up to 4 days, and it's been working. It keeps sending the data to ThinkSpeak, and I didn't see any problems over here now. But if you see any problems or unreliability issues, and you can just let me know, I can improve it. And so you can see the data is being sent to the website. So it's keep updating that. You can see it's just updated a few seconds ago. And the software is let me yeah, so that's an executable file. And it's a little bit slow when you are running like this from this way. I think it's loading data or something, but it takes a few seconds to open the GUI window. But I think it should be run faster, but it's not. Okay, so now it's opened, and I move it to the larger monitor. And so you can see the real-time temperature is being displayed over here, 69 Fahrenheit degree. And you can plot the most recent data over here. Okay, so they are showing the data points in probably a few minutes, in the past few minutes. And I can definitely change this one. But the thing is, if you have too many data points, then it's pretty hard to see all these labels all the time on the x-axis. So all these labels will be squeezed in the small area, and it won't be visible anymore. So that's why I just pick up the data in the most recent few minutes. And also, if you need more data points, you can definitely click this one, export, and to download an Excel file. You can see it's going to show up over here, right? So now it's here. Download it from the website, from ThinkSpeak. You can see that you are going to have all the temperature data points since the past few days. I think it's roughly 3 to 4 days, and there are 8,000 temperature data points in the past few days. If you scroll down, you can see all this temperature has been recorded. And definitely, if you need more data points, I can program it and hey, here's one thing I think I forgot to do. I just realized that rubber screen is actually the gasket to make the box waterproof. So if you flip the cap, you can see that there's a little channel here. So that channel, you need to put this gasket inside this channel all along the cap. So it takes about 2 minutes. So you can see the gasket. I can install the gasket into the channel. Okay, and now you can I will close it, and hopefully this will seal the gap here better to make it more waterproof, I think. All right.